Today, we recognize the accomplishments of these gentlemen in the 50 years since they were licensed to practice law. Nick Fountain attended law school at Wake Forest University and practices at Young Moore Henderson. He is a past president of the Wake County Bar Association and 10th Judicial District Bar, and is this year's recipient of the WCBA's Joseph Branch Professionalism Award. He has served on the Board of Governors of the North Carolina Bar Association, as a bar counselor, as an advisor to the State Bar, and as president of the Raleigh Kiwanis Club. His advice to lawyers is to wait 3 days before mailing an angry letter, find the humor in every situation, and always have some sort of community service in progress. Judge Jim Fullwood attended UNC School of Law and retired as a district court judge in 2014 after serving for 25 years on the bench. He began his career as an assistant solicitor and credits his first boss, Solicitor Buck Ranzel, and his former law partners Doug DeBank and Carter Mackey with mentoring him. His advice for lawyers is to learn those things that they don't teach you in law school. Judge Howard Manning attended UNC School of Law and served as a Superior Court judge in the 10th Judicial District until his retirement in 2015. He began his legal career practicing law with his father's firm in Raleigh, took a 4-year leave of absence to volunteer for active duty in the United States Navy, then continued working in both criminal and civil law until his first appointment to the court in 1988. Hugh Stevens attended UNC School of Law and began his career with the U.S. Navy JAG Corps. He is currently of counsel at Stevens, Martin, Vaughn, and Toddy. He served as general counsel to the North Carolina Press Association for more than 20 years and was designated as counsel emeritus upon his retirement. In 2006, he was inducted into the North Carolina Journalism Hall of Fame and is a founding member and past chair of the North Carolina Bar Association's section on constitutional rights and responsibilities. His advice for lawyers is the same as what he considered the best advice he received. No one can make you be an SOB without your permission. Marvin Taylor attended UNC School of Law and started his career at the firm of Nixon, Mudge, Rose, Guthrie, Alexander, and Mitchell in New York City, and is currently a solo practitioner in Cary. He contributed to the adoption of the North Carolina Securities Act, which assists small North Carolina charities with legal and tax issues. His advice is to continue the tradition of pro bono and community service, as it is well worth the time and effort involved. Hugh Thompson attended UNC School of Law and began his legal career at Emanuel and Emanuel. His favorite story from practicing is a time when he submitted a motion for summary judgment to Wake County Superior Court Judge Pooh Bailey. After pointing out to the judge that his memorandum showed there were no disputed facts, the judge agreed, but then stated there was a factual issue that just didn't smell right. Motion denied. Sammy Thompson attended UNC School of Law and was first employed by Lucas Rand and Rose in Wilson. He is currently a partner at Smith Anderson Blunt, Dorset, Mitchell, and Jernigan. He is a founder and past president of the North Carolina Association of Defense Attorneys, a past president and current board member of the Boys and Girls Clubs of Wake County, and past chair and member of the board of directors of Interact. His advice is if you are not having fun practicing law, you are not doing it right. Gentlemen, we recognize and appreciate your service to our profession, and we are honored to celebrate your 50-year anniversary.